everyone, welcome back to the next video of the Netcat. So in the previous video I was talking about what is Netcat one and what are its uses in the penetration testing and how can you use it. And I have shown you the man page or the manual page of the Netcat. So if you have any doubt or any kind of information you require, you can obviously visit the man page of the Netcat by using man space nc. So this is where you can easily read about the Netcat. So in this video I'm going to tell you about banner grabbing in Netcat. So what is banner grabbing? Actually, banner grabbing is a type of technique by which you can gain some information of of any IP address and the ports which are open in that IP address. Say suppose a machine have a IP address of 192.168.2.130. So this is the IP address of a machine. I'm just taking this IP address, class C IP address, and there's a port open as and by doing a basic nmap scan you found the port open as 4444, or you have collected some information that the system has a port open 4444. Generally 4444 is not opened in the system. This is not a renowned port, but I am telling. So if you want to know what type of service is running on that port, so that you can further enumerate to that system, you can use the banner grabbing technique, which is performed by the Netcat. So how can you perform the banner grabbing? So this is the banner grabbing technique by which you can get the further information about one port, and by using that information you can further enumerate to the system. So banner grabbing is a type of, I will say, is a information gathering, whether it is active or it is active information gathering. And using banner grabbing you can do a lot of stuffs if you know about the port which are open, because if you know what type of services running in the port, you can easily use the Netcat and you can connect to that port by and after you connect to that port, you can further enumerate to the system. So so this is my virtual machine, and in my real machine Windows 10 is running and its IP is 192.168.0.100. I will do a basic nmap scan. Nmap 192.168.0.100. So this will nmap scan is used to discover some ports which are open in the system. So I will got the result as this. So this is my Windows system, and I'm taking my Windows system IP only, because I will not do any type of information gathering or penetration testing in the live system. So there are lots of port open along with the services enlisted over here, but in some case if you don't have nmap or nmap is not working, you can use the Netcat also to list the services. Here you are getting all types of services, but let's take the scenario you don't know what type of service is running on that port. But sometimes nmap scan doesn't show any service result, because some systems are heavily secured. So in that case, banner grabbing of the Netcat is very much quite impressive, and you will get the correct result with that. So you can see the port 110 is open, 135 is open, 139 is open, 445 is open. They are all TCP port, means transmission control protocol port. So what is the Netcat command to check what type of service running that port? NC for Netcat hyphen NV for number and V for verbose. You can see what I was writing. See, V for verbose, and N for numeric only IP address and no DNS. And then I will write the IP address 192.168.0.100, and then I will write the port 110. So basically what I am doing, that I am mentioning that in Netcat, and I am mentioning hyphen NV. This is the command. V for verbose, N for no numeric IP address and no DNS. Then I am mentioning the IP, and then I am mentioning the port, which port I want to do a banner grabbing, and then press enter. It is showing that 103 is running POP3 server, but it is showing error because obviously it can't connect to that mail server, because my Windows 10 is very much secure. So let's see about this service, 135, whether Netcat can detect or not. I am not also sure, because I have not tested it until now. I'm testing on live only. 168.0.100 and then 135. Let's see. It is showing emap, and let's say ID. It's not get. I think it has got connected by somehow to the MSRPC. MSRPC port is Microsoft remote remote client, remote PC client port, or like that. So let's see whether it can detect the net bias 139 TCP port or not. 139, yeah, it can detect. We have got the result, net bias SSN, which is open. So in this way you can, yes, so in this way you can get the result of the, you can get any type of result, or any type of information, and what type of service is running in that port. So Netcat, as I have previously told, Netcat is a very powerful tool, and you should learn it very well to do penetration testing and all the ethical hacking related stuff. So using Netcat, there are lots of commands by which in Netcat are very much useful. So in this video, this video is only about banner grabbing. In the next video, I will tell you how can you gain a reverse shell access using the Netcat. So I hope you will all like this video. So thank you for watching the video.